Atomic habits is why you keep quitting, not because it's wrong, but because you used it exactly how it tells you to. And that's what screwed you. You tried it. First week, you were logged in. Second week, you missed one day. And suddenly, it wasn't just a missed habit anymore. It felt like proof. Proof that you are just not that person. That's not your fault. That's the system breaking you. And once you see what's actually happening, you won't be able to unsee it. Here's what's actually happening. Your brain doesn't treat identity like a goal, it treats it like a fact. So when your actions don't match that fact, your brain goes into defense mode. Not to help you improve, but to protect your ego. It starts explaining things away. Maybe this isn't you. Maybe you are forcing it. Maybe this just isn't your thing. And the scary part, it sounds reasonable. Your brain doesn't push you forward, it quietly pulls you out and makes it feel logical. This pattern is everywhere. People try to be perfect, fail once, then spiral, not because of the mistake, but because the identity made the mistake feel bigger than it was. One small miss turns into a full collapse, and once that happens, starting again feels heavier every time. Now, here's the part nobody tells you. People who focus on behavior, not identity, actually last longer. They don't say I'm a disciplined person. They say I showed up today. That's it. No pressure, no big label to live up to. Just one small piece of proof, and that changes how your brain reacts. Because now you are not defending who you are, you are just tracking what you did. Be honest, when you failed a habit, did you just think, I missed a day? Or did it turn into something worse? I always quit. This is just who I am. Drop that in the comments because that right there is the real problem most people never notice. Here's what should bother you. The people who buy habit books are usually the ones struggling the most. No pro, no track record, and that's exactly who this method fails. But when it doesn't work, you don't question the method, you question yourself, so you try again. New plan, new identity, more motivation, more pressure, same result over and over again. The fix is simple, but almost no one does it. Don't start with identity, start with proof. Don't say I'm a runner, say I ran today. That one shift removes pressure, removes ego, and makes it easier to come back even after you miss a day. Right now, people are stuck in a loop. They fail, feel worse, try harder, fail again. Each time they are not building discipline, they are building shame. And shame doesn't push you forward, it makes you avoid starting again. And eventually, people stop trying completely. Not because they are lazy, because they were using the wrong system from the start. Here's what actually works. Two phases. Phase 1. No identity, just action. Pick something small, almost too small. One push up, one page, 2 minutes. Track it, yes or no. No judgment, just honest data. Do that for 30 days. Phase 2. Now you got a proof. Now you say I'm someone who shows up. And this time it sticks. Because it's not fake anymore. It's on. Atomic habit isn't wrong. It's just out of order. Start with proof, then build identity. Do it right, and the system finally works. Subscribe if you want more videos where popular advice gets tested and fixed.